guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and I want to make a short video because we're going to be starting a new channel where we're going to be talking about nothing but vinyl, either heat press vinyl or sign vinyl. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I want to see if you guys have a cool name for this new channel. So, and it's also going to be a contest. So if you have a cool name for the channel, just go ahead and put it on the description below, and if I pick your name, you're gonna get a box of like a starter box with vinyl. It's gonna have all different kinds of vinyl, right? So that's if you end up winning. If you come up with a really cool name for the new channel, so just go ahead and post it on the description below, and this channel is gonna be nothing but vinyl. So if you have questions about vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, or sign vinyl, or how to cut your vinyl, or how to apply it, whatever it is, right? We're going to be having a lot of giveaways where we're going to be giving out vinyl, and we're going to be giving out like crickets and silhouettes and heat presses. We're going to be reviewing heat presses. We're going to be reviewing crickets and silhouettes. We're also going to be doing unboxing of different types of equipment, like, you know, heat presses, plotters, blah blah blah, and we'll probably be giving them to you. So, but this video is about coming up with a cool name for the new channel from Liberty Graphic Designs, and this again is going to be based only on a vinyl. So if you have a cool idea for a name, so go ahead and put it on the description below, and on Friday, like around 3 o'clock, 3 or 4, I will be going live, and I will let you know who the winner is. And we're going to be giving out a box of starter vinyl worth about, I don't know, about 120, 150 bucks. So if you do have a cool name, go ahead and put it in the description below. And if you have not subscribed to Liberty Graphic Designs, go ahead and subscribe and ding the bell, because we're going to be notifying when the new channel comes up, and this channel, and ding the bell so you're notified. That way you can subscribe to the new channel and have chances, or have a chance to win different stuff that we're going to be giving away. So thank you guys. Again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and ding the bell so you're notified when we upload new videos. Thank you, and I will catch you on the next one. See ya later. I don't even know how to end this stuff. There you go.